those are my makeup items which I took with me while I was traveling. I'm gonna go over them. So in this Ziploc bag, I have my makeup brushes. I'm not gonna go over one by one, but I'm gonna tell you which brand I have. So I have a lot from, oh come on, I have a lot from Japonesque. I do like them. Then I have couple from, here we go, from Eco Tools. Those were their eyeshadow brushes. Real Techniques foundation brush from number 7. I think that was Do Care blending brush. And this is remaining of the Japonesque brushes. Yes, I took more than I needed, but oh well, it was already too late. And I used a Ziploc bag. In the past, I use a cosmetic bag, but it's hard for me to find the brushes. Also, I have a little stand, but it's kind of same thing. I have to dig for my brushes. With the Ziploc bag, it's just easier to find what you look for. Then that's the makeup which I bring with me. So this is the makeup sponge. Makeup palette from number 7. That was last year palette for Christmas. I have one of those in the past, and as much as I like it, unfortunately I fell, it dropped on the ground and it shattered, so I repurchased this past year. And in reality you have variety of shades, so that's the only thing which I took with me. And yes, there it comes with a mirror. Then oh, okay, hopefully it's still good. I have like 2 foundations. First one is from L'Oreal. I do like it. I think this is my second or third tube. Age Perfect Radiant Serum with sunscreen. And this is a newer one. That's from Holika Moisturizing Petite BB SPF 30. Primer from Estee. That's a small one. I have it in the past. I have a full size. I have a mini one. Smoother Universal Perfecting Primer. It will smooth your skin, fill up the pores, and when you apply foundation, it will glide nicely. Concealer from the Age Perfect line from L'Oreal. Come on, you. Alright, let's go with the tubey items. Mascara from number 7. The full 360 all round credible lashes. This is an old package. They already have a new one, but I'm going through the items which I have. Oh, by the way, let me know if you're interested in me doing like a how do you call it, the pan project. So in that case I can maybe like choose 5 items and see how long it's gonna take me to use them up, and then while I do, I can just replace them with something else. But going back to the video, so that's the number 7 mascara, the primer from Estee, the little black primer. I use it before my mascara, so it gives me the tint and works like a hairspray. Also, you can use this after your mascara, so it's gonna, let's say the power of the mascara will be improved by the primer. Lip gloss from L'Oreal, that's their, not the Paris, that was mascara. Paradise, I think it was Paradise mascara. So then they come up with the glosses. I have few of those. This particular one is number 60, Sophisticated Rose. Then from number 7, it's their High Shine Lip Gloss in just peachy. So those are those 2 colors. Few more items. Powder from Laura Mercier, Translucent. Laura Geller bronzer comes in their baked powder design. Bronze and Brighten medium. Then blush from Tarte, and even though it's small, it's very powerful because it's pigmented. You don't need to use a lot. This particular one, it's in Captivating Lash Color from Japonesque. I think that was Japonesque. Yeah, I have few of those and I kind of lost the track of it. Powder from L'Oreal, that's their True Match Blendable. It's one of those items which you cannot really go wrong. It will make your skin look way, way, way nicer. Okay, few items left. Small, or I should say thin liner from Maybelline, that's their Master Precise. Master Precise Skinny Gel Pencil. I went through many of those and I like it. In reality, I was thinking about going through my eyeliners and not downsizing, but deciding which I want to keep or not. Because in fact, most of the time I'm gonna go back to this because I do enjoy it, and I think I already have like 2 backups waiting on me because I bought it when they were on sale. Laura Mercier, their caviar stick in rose gold. One of those colors which will look good on everyone. By the way, L'Oreal come up with eyeshadows. I have a couple of those, and one of these colors looks exactly like this. If you will not know it, you will think that's what it is, even though the L'Oreal costs like half or 1/3 of what the Laura Mercier does. Max Factor Brow Revival Brow Mascara. I buy this product while I'm in Europe. I think this is like my 3rd or 4th tube, and I still have like one more which I purchased during the spring because I do like it. This is like your hairspray for your brows, but it has not pigments, I think fibers, because it attaches to your hair brows and amplifies the hair which you didn't even know you have. So yes, your brow is gonna be in a quote bushy and they're gonna stay in place. So yes, I do like it. And then this, I didn't even use it. I did took it with me, but I didn't use it. That's the It Cosmetic Lash Blowout. And that was mascara? Possible it was mascara. So no, I didn't use this one. And yeah, so those were the last 4 items. My bag is empty and I see you next time. Bye!